Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the DeLorean Alpha 5 and this is from their Hot Wheels Green Speed series. So this is an electric car. As you guys know me, I am not a fan of electric cars, but so since DeLorean made a comeback, I never actually saw this cars in any videos or anything. So I need to watch some kind of videos because the only DeLorean we knew was the DMC one, which comes in the Back to the Future movie. So that's the only car they did back then. So after that, right now, when these castings came out, I think during 2024, even I think during 2023 as well. So I was a bit excited, because they made a comeback. I don't know whether they did it in between in all these years, but after long years, I heard about that name. When Hot Wheels relaunched it. Hot Wheels did these castings. So I really don't know about the actual cars. How it looks. Whether there is an actual car exist or this is supposed to be a prototype. I'm not sure. Okay, so this is a 2024 casting, and I bought it for 179 at that time. That was a That's a MRP even back then. Okay, let's unbox it. So here is the card art. So let me put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So like I told you guys, 2023 and 2024, I never had much luck on Hot Wheels or even Matchbox in that case. You can see a lot of scratches on the roof here. This whole thing is actually plastic. So it does have a lot of interior detailing to it, which is that is really nice. They could have at least went with a transparent plastic instead of the 90% black tinted one. Okay, so it has headlight details here, which looks really nice. So the logo, I mean, just spelled out DeLorean. At least they didn't mess that up this time. Looks really good. It has this grill detailing here that looks really nice. So it has the tail light detailing also, which is absolutely nice. I was not expecting that, to be honest. It has rear view mirrors. So overall the paint job looks really good. I'm not seeing any issue here. There may be a little bit of paint bubbling here, but nothing serious. Feels very light. I'm not sure why the slot here is. Okay, so the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic. This part here on the body, this is fully plastic. So let's weigh this casting now. 31 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Wow, that does roll really well. Even though it produces a lot of noise, it is quick. It is actually quick. That is really nice. Okay, let's rate this casting. So these scratches are something specific to mine, so don't worry about it. I'm not sure if you guys are able to get this still, but in case you are able to get it, this is not going to be a common thing, so don't worry about it. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 because I am not seeing any issue with this casting. It has all the necessary details. It rolls well as well. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.